In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record expenses in Zoho Books step by step. Recording expenses properly is one of the most important parts of managing your business finances because it allows you to track where your money is going, keep accurate financial records, and prepare for taxes without stress. Whether you're running a small business, freelancing, or managing company accounts, Zoho Books makes tracking your money out extremely simple. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to record an expense correctly inside Zoho Books in just a few clicks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right into it. First, log into your Zoho Books account and open your dashboard. Once you're inside Zoho Books, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find all the main accounting sections like sales, purchases, banking, and reports. Since expenses are related to money leaving your business, they are located inside the Purchases section. Click on Purchases in the left sidebar. When the menu expands, select Expenses. This page will show you a list of all the expenses that have already been recorded in your account. If you're just getting started, this list might be empty, and that's completely normal. To create a new expense record, go to the top of the page and click the Plus New button. This opens the expense creation form, where you can enter the details of the payment you made. The first field you'll see is the Date field. Here, you simply enter the date when the expense actually happened. This helps Zoho Books organize your financial records correctly and ensures your reports stay accurate for the right accounting period. Next is the Expense Account field. This is where you categorize the expense. Categories help you understand what your business is spending money on. For example, if you purchased printer paper or stationery, you might choose office supplies. If you paid for phone services, you might select telephone expense. Choosing the correct category is important because it helps generate clear financial reports later. After that, move to the Amount field and enter the total amount that was paid for this expense. Make sure the value matches the actual payment so your bookkeeping stays accurate. Next, you'll see the Paid Through field. This option lets you select the account the money came from. For example, you might choose your business bank account, a credit card account, or even petty cash if the payment was made using cash. Selecting the correct payment source ensures Zoho Books keeps your account balances updated. Then you can select the vendor. This is the person or business you paid. If the vendor already exists in your contacts list, simply choose them from the drop-down menu. If not, you can quickly create a new vendor profile so you can track future payments to the same supplier. Once you've filled in all the required details, like the date, expense account, amount, payment method, and vendor, take a quick moment to review everything to make sure the information is correct. Finally, click the Save button. As soon as you save the entry, Zoho Books records the expense and adds it to your expense list. Your financial records will automatically update, and the transaction will now be included in your accounting reports. And that's how easy it is to record an expense in Zoho Books. Recording expenses regularly helps you maintain accurate books, understand your business spending, and make smarter financial decisions. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Zoho Books tutorials, accounting guides, and simple software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.